Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. What is active listening? Active listening is also called empathic listening. This kind of listening goes beyond just paying attention or listening critically. It entails supportive behavior that tells the speaker, I understand, please go on. When you listen actively, you encourage the speaker to express himself fully. Sometimes active listeners provide the speakers with neutral summaries of what they have heard in order to affirm that they have understood what they have said. Active listening involves responding to the emotional content as well, apart from the bare verbal message. An active listener is alert to all cues and carefully observes the non-verbal behavior of the speaker to get the total picture. Need an example? Here we go. Active listening skills. Kenneth, customer care officer, microsystems solution, barges into Patricia's office to discuss an important problem that the company is facing. Patricia is the operations manager. Kenneth is frowning and is not able to maintain eye contact with Patricia. It is clear from his body language that he is upset. Patricia realizes that Kenneth is tense and has something urgent to talk about. She feels the need to calm him down and help him get back his motivational levels. Patricia tries to minimize all possible distractions to listening. She switches off her phone and turns down the volume of her computer. She turns towards Kenneth and maintains eye contact. Kenneth begins by saying that an undiscovered bug in a product has been the cause of several customer complaints. He adds that the problem has been aggravated by the fact that the programmers who worked on the product are no longer with the company. Patricia continues her active listening, interjecting occasionally with responses like, okay, or I see. As Kenneth continues, she repeats a few points after him and seeks elaboration in certain instances. After listening entirely and attentively to Kenneth, Patricia demonstrated her active listening skills by a concise summary of the problem. She says, to coin a phrase, Kenneth, after 30 straight days of perfect weather, everybody forgot their umbrellas. So now we are getting drenched. Is that right? This cooled down Kenneth and both sat down to discuss the possibility of immediate solutions to the problem. This is exactly what is active listening. Who coined the term active listening? Active listening was first called as reflective listening by Dr. Carl Rogers. The term active listening was later coined by Richard Farson. This term was introduced in a paper written by both Dr. Carl Rogers and Richard Farson in 1957, Communicating in Business Today. It was further introduced to the world by Dr. Thomas Gordon. Thomas Gordon, March 11, 1918 to August 26, 2002, was an American clinical psychologist and colleague of Carl Rogers. He is widely recognized as a pioneer in teaching communication skills and conflict resolution. The model he developed came to be known as the Gordon model or the Gordon method. The method emphasizes on effective communication and conflict resolution through effective use of active listening. What are the other approaches to listening? You may now ask a question. Are there other approaches to listening like active listening? And my answer to that question is yes. You will learn those approaches in the next section. Before we move there, it is time for a quick activity.